Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I got a 2013 Ford Edge Carfax one owner. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this Edge real fast. Alright, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. There's no scrapes or scuffs in the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Now we have completed an inspection on this vehicle, and we're also going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it as well too. Now this Edge is a non-smoker. It's very clean the inside. There's no rips or tears in these seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now we do have financing available as well too. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit as well too. Good shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the back. There's no funny smells inside of this Edge. This car is very clean inside and out. Another shot of your rims and tires. Now this Edge is going to be equipped with backup sensors. All those are, if you're backing up, it'll just start beeping at you when you're getting too close to an object. Plenty of room in the back of these Edges. You are able to fold down your seats if you need a little more room. To fold down your seats, all you gotta do is hit the button right here, and your seats will fold down for you. Right. Another shot of your rims and tires. Your back seat again, no rips or tears in the back seat. This is a 2013 Ford Edge Carfax one owner SEL. Our repair shop has completed an inspection on this vehicle. We also have financing available as well. We have rates as low as 4.24. Okay, let's hop inside the driver's seat and look around a little more. Now, of course, you are going to have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. No rips or tears in your driver's seat. Hop inside real fast. Start it up real fast. All right, here's a good shot of your dash on this vehicle. You will have dual temperature control on here, so your passenger will set one temperature, and you'll be able to set your own temperature as well too. Now you are going to have Bluetooth on this vehicle, so you'll be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. Always nice to have. And of course you will have cruise control as well too, so you have all your controls located right there. Car currently has 82,000 miles on it. If you have any questions on this Edge, my name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. And I almost forgot, there is no cracks or chipping in the windshield. Your front windshield is good to go as well. Again, Tim Dawson, Mounts Automotive. Phone number 309-310-3034.